I love the bandwidth on this thing, man. Woo.
On there, everything at 2 ohm now. Everything's wired to 2 ohm now.
Okay.
So all that was at 2
a lot more clean and efficient.
Well, yeah, because the 15K was at 1 ohm. The amp itself was at 1 ohm, and the subs are wired to 2 ohm. So now that we got the wires back to 2 ohm a different way, and we got the amp at 2 ohm, everything's gonna work out a lot better now.
Heck yeah. Let's check out the amp.
Yeah, get out. That door handle broke on the way here. I swear to you, it broke on the way.
You got to pull it out.
Yeah.
So it's 1 kilowatts more, but
yes,
being 2 ohm too, so.
Yes.
Awesome.
We actually came to try to catch you and get another update with it being a different setup.
Appreciate it. Woo! Sounds good, man.
Yeah.
This is y'all's? Nice to meet you. What size alternators again?
We got a 320 and a, what he said?
300.
300, 320, 300.
All right.
Found that out last night at what, they weren't both the same.
Okay. What's the fourth order tune to?
It peaks about 45.
Okay.
But it's got a wide range.
Yeah.
You know, it'll do the lows, it'll do 20s.
It'll do
Yeah,
80s.
I was gonna say, yeah. That's just how y'all built it. It's really musical.
Well, the last time you videoed it at King of the South, you know, it had that 15.
Yeah, I remember.
It's rage. Here you are. You're gonna come to me. Here you are. But you better choose.
said we hit like 20, 23. That was
Yeah.
a 23, the lowest.
Wow.
23.
Heck yeah. Woo.
So they put those two 8Ks on there. Everything's at 2 ohm now. Everything's wired to 2 ohm now.
Okay.
So all that was at 2
A lot more clean and efficient.
Well, yeah, because the 15K was at 1 ohm. The amp itself was at 1 ohm. And the subs are wired to 2 ohm. So now that we got the wires back to 2 ohm a different way, and we got the amp at 2 ohm, everything's gonna work out a lot better now.
Heck yeah.
I'll go tight.
Man,
Big difference from
Yeah.
the 15K. Big difference.
I love the bandwidth on this thing, man. Whew. Heck yeah. going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.